All right, today we are taking a queen. We're going to search this one. We're going to see if we got a queen. I got my new queen right here. This is her, okay? I've just smoked the hive. And I'm going to go in here and make sure that this hive is indeed queenless. Okay, I'm just put a little smoke in there. And then I don't have my gloves on today. I'm hoping I don't need them. We're going to see whether these guys are indeed without a queen. If they are, and I think they are, I'm fairly certain they are, we're going to put that new queen in here. I think this is where she's going. I've got two hives. One of them is an established hive, and they should requeen themselves. This one, this is a NUC hive. We're gonna smoke them, send them packing back down in the hive air, and we're gonna see whether we can't get away with not using the gloves today. All right, that came off a little too easy there for me. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, I don't know if y'all remember these frames. There's nothing on here. Empty comb. Empty comb. I'm looking to see whether I've gotten any brood in here. I probably haven't. Just gonna lightly go over them there just a little bit, just to see. And we're gonna see whether we got any brood in here. We probably don't. I'm thinking with this brood, there's none there, none to speak of. There's no queen activity. We'll pull this little piece of bird comb off. Okay. We're trying to do this as gently as we can. We're not trying to disturb the hive, and they are set to disturb on days like today. Okay. Nothing over there. That's empty. And that's empty. You can see there's plenty of bees. Okay, but there's no brood. If there's no brood, that means the queen's not laying, which means that the queen's not laying. She's either not there, or she's very weak. In either case, we're going to replace her. I'm not seeing any brood in there at all. I'm not these guys that go in here and aren't worried about being stung. I don't like being stung. I mean, you're going to get stung. That don't make you like it. Let's see what we got here. Not seeing any eggs, so I am getting some larvae here. I never have seen a queen in here. I'm wondering if this brood that has been here, it seems like forever, is just not made. That's brood. I think they sent us some bad brood in here, is what I think. Oh, dang it. We got some brood in there. Let's put them back together. This one's got a working queen. It's not the greatest queen I've ever had. Calm back down. I hate being in these boxes when the weather's this way. This is not when you want to be in here, but it's when we need to be in here because we need to make sure that we've got these girls taken care of here. Okay. Let's go smoke these girls here and see what's up. They are some more not happy over there now, but they're getting over it. Doggone it. All right, okie dokie. Let's see what we get here. This is my 8-framer. First thing first, I always peel the earwigs. I said they're not going to hurt anything, but I don't like them. All right, let's see what we can do here. Okay. Nothing to see there. We like that. All right, let's see what we got. We're looking for brood. Make sure we got plenty of brood in here. All right, these first two right here, we know there's not anything in them. Okay. No brood. Nothing, no brood on either side of that one. I looked on both sides. And I'm seeing the same thing here. This is the one I'm going to requeen, I think. Here we go. Okay. See that? No brood. No brood. All right. I knew I had one of them that didn't have a doggone queen in it. This one came with a caged queen, which makes it really strange that she's not in here. Being as how I've got her, I'm going to put her in this one right here. This is where I'm going to put her because this looks like where they're really working hard. And all right, is that the... Yeah, see? This one, I brought this one over just to bring some cone over. What I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to take this frame, this particular frame right here, and I'm going to stick it over here. Try not to make them mad. While at the same time, gotta keep working them. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put that frame in here. Everything's pushed over this side, see? That didn't help. All right, we're going for the queen now. This is the queen cage. The white part here, that is a sugar cube. On the end here, there's that little cork, and I got to get that cork out before we can do anything else. So I'm gonna come over here, get my cork, get her out of the tool. Which in this case is the point of a scissors. Once I got it out, see it? That's cleared. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in here so that the sugar cube is up. The reason the sugar cube is up is in case one of the worker bees dies down here, it'll fall to the bottom of the cage and not stop the queen from coming out. Put her in right here. Put another staple in there for myself. That's just for me there. Okay. We'll put her in like this. So that she stays up. We're going to close her in. A little bit. There you go. That's where she's going to be when we come back to get her here in a few days. I'm going to secure this right here. Just like that. And no, they don't like that either, but and we're going to set this guy right here just for giggles. And we're going to close these guys up because they are not happy already. And we have requeened this hive. We're going to put their dinner back. Cover box back on. And we're going to put the top cover back on. And we are through for the day. Like I said, we only want to do what has to be done on days like today when it's cloudy. When we get another clear day, we're going back in that big box right there to see whether or not they have requeened. If they've not requeened, we'll requeen them. But that's another day. And that's how you have to do this stuff. One little step at a time. Okay, thank you for watching The Bees with Clell.